This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, Tesla announced that its highly anticipated Cybertruck has rolled off the production line in Texas. The unveiling of this futuristic-looking pickup truck comes just before Tesla's second quarter earnings calls for 2023. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, first introduced the Cybertruck in 2019, but the production of the vehicle has faced numerous delays. Initially, the truck was supposed to enter production and be delivered in 2021, but Tesla had to postpone it due to component sourcing shortages. In July 2022, Musk set a new production schedule for the summer of 2023. During Tesla's first quarter earnings calls for 2023, Musk promised to organize a delivery event for the Cybertruck towards the end of the third quarter. During Tesla's annual shareholder meeting in May of 2023, Musk stated that once production begins, the automaker could deliver between 250,000 and 500,000 units of the Cybertruck per year. Mass production is planned to commence by the end of this year. Although Tesla has attributed the delay to typical supply chain challenges, leaked documentation have revealed fundamental flaws in the vehicle's design and engineering. In January 2022, a whistleblower leaked 100 gigabytes of files exposing serious braking, powertrain, suspension, sealing, and structural issues in the pre-production prototypes of the Cybertruck. This report reminded many of the initial Cybertruck reveal event when the supposedly unbreakable armored glass windows were cracked by the vehicle's designer. Initially, Tesla estimated that the Cybertruck would start at $39,900 for a single motor and rear-wheel drive model, featuring a tow capacity of 7,500 pounds and a range of over 250 miles. However, the starting price for this model is now expected to be around $50,000 as per Kelley Blue Book. The dual-motor, all-wheel drive version is anticipated to start at approximately $60,000, offering a tow capacity of over 10,000 pounds and a range exceeding 300 miles. The most expensive variant, starting at around $70,000, will come with 3 electric motors, all-wheel drive, a towing capacity of 14,000 pounds, and a battery range of over 500 miles. Tesla typically adjusts these prices during a model year, so these figures may change again before the end of 2023. Cybertruck buyers may also be eligible for the $7,500 federal electric vehicle tax incentive in the United States. With the launch of the Cybertruck, Tesla will enter another profitable electric vehicle segment in the United States. The Cybertruck will face competition from other electric pickups like Ford's F-150 Lightning, which is currently available starting around $60,000. Additional upcoming electric pickups include the Chevrolet Silverado EV starting at $77,905 with a range of 450 miles and expected to be delivered in the fall of 2023, as well as the Rivian R1T starting at $74,000 with deliveries for selected trims commencing this summer. This has been your daily tech news, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.